Do a quick video of this. Try not to bump into anything. Evergo.
I wonder what the model was called. I don't remember.
I've seen a handful of these. I've always wanted one.
Well, you got the antique brass one, don't you now?
No, that one's not this. It's basically the CEC version of it. I assume he has it in reverse for a reason. And high. Not bad. Turn it back off. It's got some scratchy bearings.
You gonna do spin down or no?
I already am. It probably won't take long because of the bearings.
Yeah. Looks like it did run the other direction.
I have a list of ones he doesn't have.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Alrighty. There's that.